आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
In this question, we need to find the enthalpy change when the internal energy change in the conversion of 1 mole of the calcite form of CuCO3 to the aragonite form is given, that is 0.2 kilojoule, and the pressure is maintained at 10 bar, and given the densities of the two solids are given in gram centimeter cube. So firstly, we know that change in enthalpy is equals to delta U plus delta of PV. If we further expand it, we can write this as delta U plus P delta V plus V delta P. And since the pressure is given a constant as 10 bar, then VdP will tends to 0 because there is no change in pressure. So delta H is equals to delta U plus P delta V. So let it be the equation A. So we have value of delta U is given, that is plus 0.2 kilojoule. We need to, and the pressure is given as 10 bar, that is 10 into 10 to the power 5 pascals in SI units. We need to find the change in volume, and we know that change in volume can be written as change in density upon mass ratio. So the 1 mole of CuCO3 is given 1 mole of calcite form of CuCO3. So 1 mole of CuCO3 is of, the molecular weight of 1 mole of CuCO3 is 100 grams divided by the density, that's 2.93, minus divided by 100 by the density, that is 2.71, and this is in centimeter, and this will be in centimeter cube. So on further simplification, we can write this as 0.34 minus 0.36 into 10 raised minus 6 in meter cubes in SI units. So this will be minus of 0.02 into 10 raised minus 6 meter cube. So this is the change in volume when the conversion of 1 mole of calcite form of CuCO3 to the aragonite form occurs. So this is the change in volume we have calculated. And now putting this pressure, change in delta volume and change in internal energy in equation A, we have delta H is equals to 0.2 into 10 raised 3 joules plus pressure, that is 10 into 10 raised 5 pascals, into change in volume, that is minus 0.02 into 10 raised minus 6. This whole will be in joule. If we take 10 raised to the power 3 as a common, so that we can represent delta H को हम किलो जूल में रिप्रेजेंट करें, उसके लिए हम अगर 10 raised to the power 3 को कॉमन लेते हैं तो we can have this 10 raised 6 and 10 raised 6 got cancelled, and what is left here is 0.02 by 10 raised 3 kilojoule. So if we simplify this, we'll have 0.1998 kilojoule. So the change in enthalpy in the entire process is 0.1998 kilojoules. So this is the final solution for this question.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।